Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing eggless single serving oats chocolate chip cookie recipe made without an oven. No maida, no wheat flour, no eggs, no refined sugar and no oven. Super healthy and easy to make. So let's get started with the recipe. To make single serving eggless oats chocolate chip cookies, I'm using a 6-inch cast iron pan. Now if you don't have this pan, you can use a flat plate like this. Just make sure that you grease and line the plate with a parchment paper. This is a well seasoned cast iron pan. So I'm just keeping a parchment paper in the center and lining it. I'm going to keep this aside. Lightly roast 1/4 cup rolled oats. I'm using old-fashioned rolled oats. Stir and roast the oats until it starts to turn light golden brown. Roasting the oats will help to release the phytic acid content in oats. Phytic acid is a nutrient inhibitor and also may cause digestive issues to some people. So when you're using oats, always try to roast the oats or soak it before using. Once the oats are roasted and is golden brown, transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. Once cooled, transfer the roasted oats to a small chutney grinder and grind this to a fine powder. Transfer the ground oats to a bowl. The ground oats will be roughly about 1/3 cup. You can see that the oats are nicely ground. Add in 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, few drops of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Wood pressed oils and virgin coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, hence they are ideal for baking. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use virgin coconut oil instead. Add in 1/2 tablespoon kakvi, also known as liquid jaggery. Instead of kakvi, you can also use maple syrup or melted jaggery or melted palm sugar or coconut sugar. So that is 1/2 tablespoon of kakvi. You can increase or decrease kakvi to suit your taste. You can increase up to 2 tablespoons. Now with a spoon, just mix all this really well. Add in 2 tablespoons roasted old-fashioned rolled oats and give this a mix. And now our cookie dough is ready. Transfer the cookie dough to the prepared pan and lightly spread it into a round cookie. Shape it into a nice and round cookie. This is a single serving cookie. You don't have to share it with anybody. You can enjoy this as a healthy treat for yourself. Now you can top it with chocolate chip, but today I'm using 1 square of dark chocolate. So I'm just roughly chopping and adding it into the cookie batter. You can add 1 tablespoon chocolate chips and mix it into the cookie dough, or you can top it with chocolate chips. Either way is fine. And my cookie is ready to be baked. I'm baking the chocolate chip cookie on the stove top. So I have heated my cast iron tawa. This is my roti tawa. And once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and place the skillet on top. Cover it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for 15 minutes. You can also do this process in an oven. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the sides of the cookie starts to turn brown and crispy. It's 15 minutes now, so let's check on the chocolate chip cookie. As you can see, the cookie has started to brown on the sides and the color has also changed on the sides. but if you press it in the middle, it'll be slightly soft, but that doesn't matter. It will get ready once it starts to cool down. Remove the pan from the tawa. Allow the cookie to cool down in the pan slightly and then transfer from the skillet. And once the cookie has cooled down lightly, I am transferring it from the skillet. You can see that the underside is perfectly cooked. And once it has cooled down, I'll show you how perfectly the cookie has baked. It's crunchy and crispy. The cookie is perfectly baked. It's crunchy, crispy, and so very tasty. I just can't wait to enjoy this. So guys, do try this single serving eggless oats chocolate chip cookies and let me know how it turned out. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like to see more healthy and single serving recipes like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.